this video, we're unboxing and installing OE sway bar link on this Ford Explorer. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Front sway bar link with nut. Rear sway bar link with nut. Tools required for the sway bar link installation on the Ford Explorer. 1/2-inch torque wrench. Large F-type extension bar. 19mm ratcheting wrench. 17mm ratcheting wrench. 14mm ratcheting wrench. 22mm wrench. Large extension bar. 1/2-inch impact wrench. Large 17mm long socket. Large 19mm long socket. Large 22mm long socket. Large 19mm long socket. Now, use a 19mm long socket with an F-type extension bar to loosen the wheel bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm long socket with an impact wrench to remove the wheel bolts. Remove the wheel. Use a 19mm long socket with an impact wrench to remove the retaining nut connecting the sway bar link to the shock absorber. Remove the nut. Next, use a 19mm ratcheting wrench to remove the connecting nut of the sway bar link. Remove the nut. Remove the sway bar link. Now install the new sway bar link. Remove the upper nut from the sway bar link. Note during installation, the sway bar link are left and right specific, so compare them with the removed sway bar link. Install the sway bar link. Install the nut. Install the sway bar link. Install the nut. Use a 22mm long socket with an impact wrench to tighten the lock nut between the sway bar link and the shock absorber. Now, use a 22mm wrench to tighten the lock nut between the sway bar and the sway bar link. Due to limited space below, use a wrench to tighten the nut. Then, use a 22mm long socket with a long extension bar and a torque wrench to tighten the mounting nut between the sway bar link and the shock absorber. Tightening torque, 150 Nm, 111 pound-feet. Next, use a 14mm ratcheting wrench to remove the retaining nut of the rear sway bar link. Continue removing the remaining nuts. Remove the nut. Remove the sway bar link. Remove the link. Remove the upper protective bushing from the link. Install the new sway bar link. Remove the upper lock nut. Install the lower protective bushing. Install the sway bar link. Install the nut. Install the remaining nut. Use a 17mm ratchet wrench to tighten the lock nut of the sway bar link. Continue tightening the remaining lock nut. Tighten the upper lock nut using a wrench. Now, use a 17mm long socket with a torque wrench to tighten the lock nut of the sway bar link. Tightening torque, 63 Nm, 46 pound-feet. Lower the vehicle. Now, install the wheel. Thread on the wheel bolts. Use a 19mm long socket with an impact wrench to tighten the wheel bolts. Lower the vehicle back to the ground. Next, use a 19mm long socket with a torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolts. Tightening torque, 150 Nm, 111 pound-feet.